going on, guys? Welcome to Basement Bar, Beers, Beards, and BS. And today I'm in none of those places, but I do have my beard with me, and I did grab a beer out of the fridge. This one is a Wicked Weed Appalachia Sessions IPA. Again, I'm just enjoying some Wicked Weed beer. But today, we got to talk about the Grinch. Oh, man, that's good. Oh, that's really good. I got 3 of these in that variety packs, and these 3 are going to be gone in the next little bit. Anyway, all that to say, you probably hear a lot of road noise. I've got the garage doors open because after actually watching people who know what they're doing, light is better coming in this way. Today, I got me some running light, better turn signals for this bike. I love the Grinch. I hate the garbage factory bulbs. And I've been dying to get some upgraded stuff. I really wanted some LEDs. I still got to get the ones for the back. But I had an Amazon gift card, and I work at a Harley dealership. I was really torn about the Harley Davidson LEDs. I was really torn about the Kuryakyn makes some really nice LEDs that are some of my favorite ones, but they're 120 bucks before my discount. The Harley ones are like 110. Even the Kuryakyn bulbs themselves are like $40 a piece. I got these on Amazon for like $89.99. I had a gift card, so it only cost me 20 bucks. So thanks whoever sent me those gift cards. I appreciate it, or the Grinch appreciates it. But these are the Black Label special a beer's already got to me. These are Black Label special edition from Rogue Rider Industries. These are the SIGs LED front turn signals. So what I like about these, let me open them up so you can see them. Put that aside. So you can see they got a black background. Trying to be careful not to touch these with my fingers. You're never supposed to get the oils from your fingers all over light bulbs or LED bulbs. So I gotta be very careful not to do that. But you can see the black background on those. I think you can kind of see black edition. They're normally white, but what I like about these is when they're lit up, the whole thing is white. There's not like a halo like some of the other manufacturers that make these. And when it flashes, the whole thing is amber. So it's either all bright white or it is all amber. So I am excited about these. I think it will makes me a much more visible on the road, which is always important, especially for the Sturgis trip. We're not going to be riding a whole lot at night, but the rears are going to be super important as we come, kind of down the pipeline. So I am going to install these and hope I don't ruin anything. Mine has these chrome covers. Normally, these are really dirty. I thought I cleaned them. I gotta clean these. Stand by. I'm going to try to carefully clean these. These were filthy. The guy I got my motorcycle from actually parked this bike in his front yard for basically all of last year. There we go. Got them separated. Just a little ring that slips over, but if you can see all the crud that build up in there. So while it's all apart, now's a good time to clean it. And this was a brand new rag. Look at that. Ugh. You've got a little Harley logo on this smoke lens, which is nice. And then, I don't know if you can see inside there. It's not very chrome in there anymore. There you go. Got my tabs all lined back up like it's supposed to be. So let's pull this bulb out. Nothing fancy, just a bulb. Put it down out of the way. I'm not worried about getting my fingers all over that one because it's old. I am gonna clean out this a little bit. Again, make sure you get it all dried out. Take the LED. That's what the back looks like in case you care. It is nice because they give you actually something to hold on to and turn. They only go in one way. It always takes me 4 times to figure out which is the right way. Then I always test it before I put it in. That one works. So what you want to do is then twist it to get the wire all turned around. The wire spun in there, so this will click shut. Then I always try to make sure my Harley Davidson logo is oriented correctly so it doesn't look stupid. There we go. Clean that off. One. The Grinch is dirty. Same thing, I'm gonna take it apart and clean it. While I got it apart, really hope these things are as reliable and as nice as everyone says they are. A lot of people I follow on YouTube and other platforms, Instagram, Facebook, have all really said these are fantastic LEDs. They appear to be really nice. The quality seems to be really nice. Again, I hope they last long. But again, what I like about them is that the whole thing lights up, and I don't want a weird ring. I want as much light coming from the front of this bike as I can when I'm cruising down the road. Again, clean out all this sand and crap just eating up the plastic chrome. Because it's not real chrome on this one. It's all fake. Pull this bulb out. Just push the bulb in, turn it to the left. Bulb pops right out. And then again, I'm going to clean the inside of this one a little bit. Make sure it's nice and dry. Take the second one. Nice. Carefully put these rings back together. You'll hear a snap. Means it's back in place. If you don't turn it enough, it won't stay in far enough. There we go. Got it. It's middle of the day, but this still should give you an idea what it looks like. Those are super bright. And that looks good. Don't look directly into them. Now I can't see anything. Pretty simple. It took me a little longer because I spent some time cleaning it, but you get the gist. Like I said, I'm really excited about these. Rogue Rider Industries. These are the SIGs with a Z because these are cool. Got my Lucky 13 put on the bike, but pretty excited about these. Rogue Riders, thanks for making rad stuff. Really excited about these. Excellent. So, I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy my beer now. I want to go for a ride. I got my helmet mounted right up there, and I got all my motovlog stuff all set up, so got a microphone put in it, so now I can actually do a proper motovlog where you can hear me talk. Really need to clean her up. She's filthy, so I'm gonna wipe down the Grinch, clean off the front end. She's covered in bugs. There's a lot of chrome on this bike too. Remembering how much it takes to keep chrome clean. And how I like to ride bikes and not shine bikes. Anyway, this beer's empty. We'll see you next time. Hey, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the little bell button so you get a notification anytime I upload new content. More importantly, please hit the like button if you like these videos. If you don't hit the dislike button. Hit the like one anyway, just because you're a good person, because that's what good people do. It really helps this channel grow. no one sponsors me. No one's paying me to do any of this crap. I just am doing it because I'm bored, and I like these things. I like beer. I like motorcycles. I like Volkswagens. Anyway, till next time. See you guys later. Cheers.